Your furniture is one of the biggest investments in your home. Stanley Steemer, the leader in carpet cleaning, is also the expert you can count on to clean and protect upholstered furniture. Our professionally trained technicians begin by thoroughly inspecting your furniture to determine the proper cleaning technique for each particular piece. Things like color, fabric type, and age all play a part in determining the best and safest cleaning approach. After the inspection, we'll spot treat any areas that may need extra attention. Then it's time to begin your deep cleaning. On most pieces, we use our patented hot water extraction cleaning process. This not only extracts the dirt and grime, but because of the powerful suction it provides, your piece dries quickly. When the cleaning process is complete, we can apply Protector. An application of Protector will help the fabric resist dirt and water-based stains, and help it stand up better to everyday wear and tear. If odor is an issue, no problem. We also offer a deodorizer that can easily be applied to neutralize any unpleasant smells and give your fabric furniture a clean, fresh scent. Keep your furniture clean and fresh and extend the life of your investment with a professional cleaning from Stanley Steemer. To schedule your upholstery cleaning, call 1-800-STEAMER or visit stanleysteemer.com.